In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and edit pending tasks in Google Calendar. This is going to be a simple guide that will help you manage your tasks more effectively and keep your schedule organized. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can easily find Google Calendar by doing a quick search, or if you use it frequently, it might already be saved as a bookmark. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. First, you need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one linked to your Google account where you manage your calendar. Once you've typed in your email, click on the Next button to proceed. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type it carefully to avoid any mistakes. If you're on a personal computer, you can even choose to save your password for a faster login next time. Once that's done, go ahead and click Next to sign in to your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll be able to see your Google Calendar interface. Here's where it gets interesting. Locate the section that allows you to browse through your tasks. You might need to scroll a little, or adjust your view settings if you have a lot of events scheduled, but generally the task section is readily accessible. Find the pending tasks section and click on it. This is where you'll have a list of tasks that need your attention marked as pending. Once you're in the pending tasks section, you might see tasks sorted differently, some by date and others by priority. Suppose you're looking to make changes, you'll want to click on the task or the weekly plan associated with it. These tasks are clickable, so one simple click will open up further options for you. Finally, if you need to delete a task because it's no longer needed or has been completed outside of your calendar, simply click on the task itself. A trash can icon or a delete task option should appear as part of the details for the task. Clicking on delete task will remove it from your list, keeping your calendar clutter-free and up to date. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be managing your pending tasks effortlessly. Don't forget, a consistent review of your calendar can really help in maintaining productivity and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips like these.